All right, you guys, so we have our wig wag ready to open. It's been rinsed and you know that already because you just saw all that. I hope you like the new way we're going to try to do these videos. I just figured it's a lot easier to watch when it just goes right through the video and you can see everything I'm doing still. So if you like that, make sure you let me know in the comments. If you don't, let me know in the comments. We'll try to compromise on that. It's busy times we're living in right now. So trying to save time for you and myself. Try to keep trucking. Woo! But yes, I'm excited about this wig wag. It's gonna be awesome. I use all rubber bands, so you guys seen that already. Make sure you like, subscribe, notification bell to all. You'll get notified every single time we post a video, so if you're new here, thanks. Come on and enjoy the awesome tie-dye family we got going on over here. If you are somebody that likes to show off your tie-dyes, I get a lot of people who show me theirs because I love to see. So if you try any of my videos, or even if it's not my video that you tried and you did your own thing, you can send me pictures on Facebook, Instagram. I don't know if you can send pictures through Twitter, but I have a Twitter. All of the links for all of my social media in my about page and my channel art. So super easy to get to. I'm pretty easy to get a hold of, so let me see them. All right, we're ready, you guys. Ready? Okay, I don't know what the top is. So. There we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. I got the heart that I wanted. We got some wig wag going on. That looks super awesome. Make sure you wait till the very end because we've gotten some suggestions to put the washed and dried picture at the very end. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this in the washer. I do hot washes with cold rinses if you have that option on your washer, and I use Synthropol detergent. It will help get all the excess dye out and you won't have to worry about it coming out in the washer later on when you wash it over and over again. So make sure if you don't have that, links down below. Yay! Oh, and happy Valentine's Day! Happy tie-dyeing. Thank you for watching.